Hello everybody, this is Jeff at Etrailer.com. Today we're going to take a look at this TireMinder A1AS TPMS monitoring system for RVs and trailers using Bluetooth and the 4 flow-through transmitters. Now this TPMS system will let you monitor your RV or trailer's tire pressures and temperatures via this included monitor, or you can even use your smartphone using the free TireMinder TPMS app. I happen to have my smartphone here. I downloaded the TireMinder app on there, and you can see mine's an iPhone 8 Plus, and there's your app that you would set your pressures and everything at, and you can monitor it using this. If you prefer not to, you can use the monitor that's included. This is designed to work great on your motorhome, your fifth wheel, or your trailer. You'll get real-time pressures and temperature notifications on the monitor or smartphone. And you can see when I turn the monitor on, there's what the monitor would look like. And you can set your settings there. Now, as we mentioned, it is also compatible with the iPhone, the iPad, and the Android smart devices. It does require iOS 7 and higher, or Android 4.4 and higher with Bluetooth 4.0 capability. Now, this kit will include everything laid out here on the table. It'll include this A1AS 5.5 inch monitor, the Rhino signal booster, the 4 flow-through transmitters with the 4 locking nuts, the locking wrench, and the replacement O-rings, the AC/DC adapter with the micro USB cable. Comes with the 8 total CR1632 lithium batteries, nice storage bag for carrying everything all in one place, nice operation manual, and also this nice mount with the suction cup on the bottom that you can use on your dash or on your windshield. And it is a magnetic mount, so you can see if you're going to use that, that'll stick right to it, and you can attach it wherever you need to. You can just pull it off to remove it. It does come with extra metal pads here for your magnet. Now this monitor, it's a very easy to use LCD monitor. It will provide you with visual and audible alerts. It will warn you of any changes with tire pressure, tire temperature, sensor and monitor batteries, and even the sensor signal. This will enable you to set tire pressures and temperature settings. And we mentioned the magnetic monitor holder will mount to the windshield or dash. The booster right here, this is a Rhino booster. This will strengthen the sensor signal using the 433 megahertz transmitters. It eliminates electronic interference with other wireless devices. And this is fully weatherproof, so it will install on the undercarriage. And as you can see, it connects to a 12 volt or 24 volt DC power. The sensors that are included, there are 4 flow-through sensors, and these will let you monitor each tire individually. They install onto your valve stem, and it allows your tires to be inflated or deflated without removing the sensors, which is nice because all you have to do is once these are installed and locked into place, you can check your pressure, add air or delete air just by removing the valve cap and going through that way. So it saves you the hassle of having to take off your sensors to check your air pressure or add air. And as we mentioned, these do install easily onto the valve stems. They do lock in place using these lock nuts and the locking wrench. And they are a brass construction. They're designed to use on rubber, steel, chrome, or nickel valve stems. And what's nice when you install these are very lightweight at only about 0.7 ounces, so it eliminates the need to rebalance your tires. And the sensors are upgraded sensors. They provide accurate reading within 1 PSI, and they'll check the tire pressure and temperature every 6 seconds. Now this comes with 4. We do sell additional sensors if needed. This will monitor up to 22 tires. Now the charger here is a nice USB charger. You can see the USB ports down here. This will let you plug into your vehicle's 12 volt accessory by extending that out. Or on the very back, you can flip down the plug here and plug it into an AC wall outlet. And again, it includes the micro USB charging cable. Storage bags all included. A few specs on this. Start with the tire sensors. Their pressure range is 0 to 232 psi. Operating frequency we mentioned is 433 megahertz. Temperature range these will operate in is -4 degrees Fahrenheit up to 185 degrees Fahrenheit. The monitor right here, this has a battery recharge time of about 6 hours. And then the dimensions on this, just to give you an idea, the width on it, it's going to be right at 3 7/8 inches wide. The height It's going to be right about 5 3/4 inches, and then if you add the antenna, it adds about 1 5/8 inches. And the depth of it is right at 7/8 of an inch. The size on the booster right here, the signal booster, overall dimensions widthwise, we're going to include the mounting tabs, right at 2.5 inches. The height, including the antenna, is right at 4 1/4 inches, and the depth at the widest point, right at 7/8 of an inch. The wire it comes with is 3 feet long, and it has the 2 alligator clips for positive and negative. But that should do it for the review on the TireMinder A1AS TPMS monitoring system for RVs and trailers with Bluetooth and the 4 flow-through transmitters.